Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out an accessory for your MetaQuest 3 headset. These are the prescription lenses made by VR Rock. They start at $25 American on their website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 10% off of that purchase. In this one, I'll unbox them, I'll show you how to install them, I'll talk about the features, and give you my review of them here in the end as well. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I'll link that playlist below. Let's jump into this one. Okay, so here's the nice little box that they come in. Let's open this up. We've got the lenses in a nice case. Plus we have a nice little microfiber cloth here. There you go, one that you can use to clean off those lenses if you'd like to as well. Let's open this up. Nice little hard case there. So inside we have our two lenses, just wrapped in some plastic here. We got two pockets on the inside here, nice and compact, nice and small. This is a normal kind of case that you'll see for most VR prescription lenses. Gently take these both out. So here we have the lenses, and they are in two pieces here. So we have magnetic buttons on each side. They easily clip in. So this base part is the actual part that you're going to attach onto your Quest 3S there, and then you can easily attach and remove the lenses when you are using them or don't want to use them. Maybe you're sharing with somebody else. Right up in the top left corner here, probably hard to see, there is a little L up there, and if we open this side up, there is a little R right there as well to show you left and right. And you can see those are pretty strong magnets. Pull across there. So that's going to keep your lenses nice and secure. So to put these on, let me just extend this back here. Put those on there. I'm just going to use just the base to start. And if you look at the underside, here we're going to have little, little clips, little raised parts. Those are what's going to clip around the lens there. That's already there. And so you're just going to go in and line this up and just gently push around, and you probably heard that clip. We are good to go there. Let's do the other side. So you just want to apply some even pressure around. There we go, that went in. And if you just give them a little tug and they stay in, then you're good. That's all you need to do. If you give them a little tug and they pop off, then that means you probably need to reattach them again. Then you can simply just go in and plop in your lenses and you're good to go. Really easy assembly, really easy to use. Then if you're sharing with somebody who obviously won't share the same prescription as you, you can easily pop them out while leaving the base in there, and then when it's your turn again, easily pop them back in. So it's really nice for when you're sharing with somebody else. So I'm just going to try this a little bit here, just to see how they go and see, distance from my eyes and all that kind of stuff, and then I'll come back and give you my review. Okay, so I've had a chance to use these. Now I wanted to give you my review and just show you a couple of things as well. So I've taken off the facial interface and I've taken off the lens on the left side, left the one on the right side. I just wanted to show you here the difference in height. You can see that this is obviously going to be higher than without a lens, but surprisingly I was able to use these without using the glasses spacer. Just the regular facial interface, the stock facial interface, kept my eyes far enough away from the lenses that my eyelashes weren't rubbing up against them. That's definitely happened before on with other lenses or just with other systems like the Quest 3 or the Quest 2. So that's definitely a plus, because then if you're sharing with somebody else, you're not going to have to remove the glasses spacer as well when you're trading and all that kind of stuff. You can easily just remove the lens magnetically and then plop it back in when you need to. In terms of clarity, definitely clear, no issues. My prescription was right. It's really easy to use. It makes it a lot better than wearing glasses. Okay, so if you're interested in purchasing these lenses, I'll be putting a link in the description below. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 10% off of your purchase as well. These ones retail for $25 American on their website, $35 Canadian. That's their starting price. Depending on some of the extras that you might like or your prescription, that could change. So these come with anti-fog, oil resistant, scratch resistant, dust resistant, easy to clean, radiation resistant, anti-fatigue, all included with the lenses. If you want the anti-blue light filter, or anti-glare, each of those are an extra $5. And then with my prescription, for example, it's a little bit stronger, and so it added an extra $19 just base, so it went from 25 base to 44 base. So it does increase a little bit of price there, and I know some other companies won't change the price depending on the prescription. This is just something that they would do with VR Rock. So if your prescription isn't very strong, then they will be cheaper. If you do have a stronger prescription, then that price might go up a little bit as well. Something to look at, but you can easily input it on their website and see what that is going to be in the end. Really easy. And yeah, you can always just check that out. If you have any questions about them, make sure you let me know. I'm more than happy to answer them. If there's one thing that I can suggest to somebody as an accessory, if they are glasses wearers, is to get prescription lenses. It's going to make your life 100 times easier. Check them out. Check out prescription lenses all around. Definitely something that you need to be getting. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.